I got a little crazy. Okay, but I think this would mostly work. So here's your two auction sensors, and they're on a stick or something like that, and this is the dashboard, so this is where you drive, okay, and this is the stereo, and this is the cigarette lighter. Now I want to use this one other piece. It's a MOSFET. In fact, I know that they're in there because I took one out of my car. It's a little black thing. I'll send you a picture of it, and it came out of the fan controller. There are tons of them in the dashboard. You could find one anywhere. This is what you need to essentially tell the difference between which signal gets the most. Okay. Now it's not hooked up exactly right, but it's pretty much right. So there are 4 wires for the auction sensor that I looked up. 2 of them go to a heater to heat up the sensor. So these 2 wires for the heater just hook into the 12-volt cigarette lighter. If you don't want to use that, you could just pull the dash. There's tons of 12-volt lines back there. Just take one from each and hook it up there. So they both have the heaters powered up. Now here are the dome lights. There's a plus and a minus for each dome light. They just uses 2 wires. So just keep the minus is fine. So for the plus, it goes to the MOSFET and then to the one wire of the auction sensor, and then have the other wire of the auction sensor go to the plus. And so the same thing over here. One wire goes to the MOSFET, and then the other one goes to the plus. And then the 2 plus wires from the lights go to the middle MOSFET thing. The MOSFET has 3 plugs. And then that would give you the difference. That's the whole thing. It's not just a sensor. It's which one has a higher reading. So that's what you need. Okay, I think that should be good. Don't have to get out of the car. Everyone's happy, hopefully. It is an auction sensor, not an O2 sensor, but I think that's plausible that it's still detecting a difference in auction levels.